Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make chicken parmesan sliders. These are so easy to make and packed with tons of flavor. In a baking dish, place 12 Hawaiian dinner rolls and you want to cut in half lengthwise and place the top part aside. Then we love to use about 2 to 3 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. Then add your favorite marinara sauce. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. And 6 slices of mozzarella cheese or provolone cheese. Then top with the remaining rolls. Now in a small bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix together. Then you're going to brush that delicious butter mixture on top of the rolls. Then you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown. And these chicken parmesan sliders are ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching.